Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the perimeter of the following composite shapes. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. In the first example, we are to find the perimeter of the following composite shape. The shape is made up of a trapezium and the semicircle. The perimeter of any shape is the total distance round the outside of the shape as highlighted. We know that the other slanting side of the trapezium is 7 meters. To find the curved path or the length of the curved path, we are going to use the formula for the circumference of a circle. We have the circumference of a circle equals to pi radius. However, because this is a semicircle, we're going to have 2 pi radius, that's the circumference of a circle, divided by 2. We have 2 into 1. Therefore, what we have is going to be pi radius. The radius of a circle is the distance from the center of the circle to any path of the circle. We've been given the diameter of this semicircle to be 12 meters. Therefore, the radius is half of the diameter. The diameter is 12 meters. Dividing that by 2, we have a radius to be 6 meters. Therefore, to find the circumference of the semicircle, we have pi radius, which is the same as pi times 6 meters, which is, if you punch that in, we have 18.85 meters to 2 decimal places. Therefore, to find the perimeter of the shape as shown, we are going to add the total distance round the outside. So we have 7 meters plus 8 plus 7 plus 18.85. Note that we are not using the 12 meters because it's inside. We need the distance around the outside of the shape. So we have 7 plus 8 plus 7 plus 18.85 meters, all in meters. Therefore, the perimeter P equals 40.85 meters. Let's look at the second example. In the second example, we have the shape shown. The length of each side has been given in inches. We need to fill in the value of the missing sides. I will start with the base, because the distance of the base is the same as the opposite distance as shown. So we have the distance of the base as 8 inches. We have the radius of the quarter of a circle given as 6 inches. So therefore, the radius here as shown will be 6 inches. To find the length or the other side, I'm going to break this up here such that the distance from here to here is also equal to the distance from here to here. However, we know the distance from here to here to be 6. So therefore, the remaining distance, because the total distance is 15, will be 15 minus 6. And we have that as 9 inches. So therefore, the distance here will be 9 inches. We are left with the length of the quarter of the circle as shown. Using the circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r, we're going to divide that by 4. So we have the formula for the circumference of the quarter of a circle equals the circumference of a circle to pi radius divided by 4. We have 2 into 1. I'm simplifying. 2 in 4, 2. That is going to give us pi radius divided by 2. We know that the radius of a circle is the distance from the center to any part of the circle, and that has been given as 6 inches. So we have the circumference of the quarter of a circle to be pi times the radius, 6 inches, divided by 2. And what we'll have is 9.42 inches to 2 decimal places. Therefore, to find the perimeter of the composite shape, we're going to add all the sides together. We have the length here to be 9.42 inches. So we have that as, I'm starting from the top. Make sure you account for every side. We have 8 plus 15 plus 8 plus 9.42 plus 6 plus 9. Remember, we are counting, or we are adding only the total distance around the outside of the shape. Therefore, if you add that together, the perimeter will be 55.42 inches. Let's look at the last example. In the last example, like we did in the previous one, we're going to fill in the value of all the missing sides. We start with the base. We have this side, because we have 3 centimeters here. This side, the opposite side, will also be 3 centimeters. We have the distance from here to be 5 centimeters, so we have the opposite distance to be 5 centimeters. Likewise, we have 3 centimeters here and 5 centimeters. We are left with the length of the quarter of a circle. So, using the formula for the circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi r, I'm going to divide that by 4 to get the length of the quarter of a circle. That will be equal to, we have 2 in 2, 1, 2 in 4, 2. We have that to be pi radius divided by 2. From the diagram, the radius is the distance from the center to any part of the circle. We have that as 3. So putting that value, we have pi times the radius, which is 3, divided by 2. So therefore, the circumference of the quarter circle will be 4.71 centimeters. To find the perimeter, we have perimeter, which is the total distance around the shape, equals, I'm going to start from 3 centimeters here. I have 3 plus 5 plus, we have a new value for the length, will be 4.71. So I have plus 4.71 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5, all in centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter equals 30.71 centimeters. Thanks for watching. Bye.